If you're interested in investing in ETFs, here's a detailed look at 7 ETFs that hold significant promise for wealth building in 2026. Each focuses on distinct sectors or themes that are positioned for growth based on current and anticipated market trends and technological advancements. First, consider an ETF focused on artificial intelligence and robotics. This type of fund invests in companies involved in AI software, hardware, automation, and robotics industries. As AI adoption accelerates across sectors ranging from healthcare to finance and manufacturing, these ETFs allow investors to gain diversified exposure to the transformative wave of machine learning, intelligent automation, and related technologies powering the future economy. The growth in cloud computing, data centers, and chip manufacturing also supports this theme. Next, an ETF centered on clean energy and sustainability is a compelling choice. These funds invest in companies driving the transition to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydrogen, and battery technologies. Government policies worldwide pushing for decarbonization and corporate commitments to net zero emissions amplify the growth potential here. Investments in electric vehicle manufacturers, energy storage innovators, and companies facilitating energy efficiency are common holdings, positioning these ETFs to benefit from the global shift toward greener energy. Healthcare innovation-focused ETFs represent another promising avenue. These ETFs prioritize companies pioneering breakthroughs in biotechnology, gene editing, precision medicine, and digital health. Advances in treatment methods, diagnostics, and telehealth continue to reshape healthcare delivery and patient outcomes. With aging populations and increasing healthcare demands globally, these ETFs typically capture the value of cutting-edge medical technologies and therapies poised for robust growth. An ETF dedicated to semiconductor and semiconductor equipment manufacturers is increasingly attractive. Semiconductors remain the cornerstone of modern electronics, powering everything from smartphones and PCs to AI systems and electric vehicles. As demand surges for next-generation chips featuring higher performance and energy efficiency, these ETFs hold companies at the forefront of manufacturing, design, and materials innovation, benefiting from sustained industry expansion. Investing in fintech and digital payments ETFs can also be lucrative. Such funds include companies revolutionizing financial services through digital banking, blockchain technology, mobile payments, and cybersecurity. With ongoing consumer shifts toward cashless transactions and greater reliance on online financial platforms, exposure to these innovators offers growth tied to financial technology adoption trends and evolving regulatory environments. Real Estate Investment Trust (REIT) ETFs focused on technology-driven properties offer another dimension of wealth building. These REIT ETFs specialize in data centers, logistics warehouses, and communications infrastructure critical for e-commerce, cloud computing, and 5G deployment. The increasing digital economy reliance magnifies demand for these real estate assets, making this a strategic way to tap into both real estate and tech sectors with income-generating qualities. Finally, an ETF investing in emerging markets technology and consumer growth holds strong potential. These funds target companies in rapidly developing economies that are seeing rising middle-class populations, expanding internet penetration, and accelerating technology adoption. Exposure to scalable fintech platforms, e-commerce leaders, and digital services providers in Asia, Latin America, and Africa offers diversified growth opportunities fueled by demographic and technological tailwinds. Together, these 7 ETFs provide a diversified blend of innovation-led themes coupled with long-term secular trends. They align with sectors expected to drive wealth creation in 2026 by continuously evolving technology, shifting consumer behaviors, and global economic transformation. Investing with a horizon beyond short-term market volatility and an eye on these growth areas can offer compelling pathways to building substantial wealth. Investing in the ETFs that focus on high-growth and technology-driven sectors in 2026 offers exciting opportunities but also carries key risks that investors should carefully consider. Market volatility is a primary risk across all these ETFs. Technology and innovation sectors tend to be more sensitive to investor sentiment swings, regulatory changes, and macroeconomic shifts. Sudden market corrections or broader economic downturns can lead to steep declines in these ETF valuations, especially because many holdings are growth-oriented companies with high valuations. Regulatory risk is significant, particularly for ETFs investing in emerging technologies like AI, fintech, biotechnology, and clean energy. Governments worldwide are increasingly scrutinizing data privacy, cybersecurity, digital currencies, environmental compliance, and drug approval pathways. Stricter regulations or adverse policy changes could impact company profitability or delay product development timelines. Technology obsolescence risk affects sectors such as semiconductors, AI, and clean energy. Rapid innovation can render certain technologies or products outdated quickly. Companies unable to maintain competitive advantages or adapt to new industry standards may see their market share erode, which would negatively impact ETFs holding these companies. Geopolitical tensions and trade uncertainties represent another risk. Many of these ETFs include companies with global supply chains or operations subject to tariffs, trade barriers, or political conflict. Escalating conflicts or restrictions between major economies can disrupt supply chains, increase costs, and reduce demand. Valuation risk is also noteworthy. Many tech-focused ETFs hold companies with high price-to-earnings ratios, reflecting investor expectations for rapid growth. If earnings growth falls short or the market reassesses valuations, these ETFs may experience significant price corrections. Liquidity risk can arise in ETFs with substantial exposure to emerging markets or niche sectors. In times of market stress, selling pressure may outpace the liquidity available, potentially leading to larger price declines or difficulties redeeming shares at fair value. Finally, currency risk is important for ETFs investing internationally. Fluctuations in exchange rates can affect the returns for investors whose base currency differs from the ETF's underlying exposure, adding an extra layer of unpredictability. Understanding and balancing these risks is crucial for investors aiming to harness the growth potential of these ETFs. Diversification, periodic portfolio review, and alignment with individual risk tolerance and investment horizon help manage these uncertainties effectively. Some mature hardware segments such as reliable computer peripherals, storage solutions, and legacy technology systems providers carry lower risk. While growth may not be as rapid, their cash flow stability can offer defensive qualities within tech ETFs. In summary, technology ETFs that emphasize enterprise software, cloud, semiconductor equipment, IT services, networking infrastructure, and mature hardware sectors generally exhibit reduced volatility and risk in 2026. These sectors combine solid demand fundamentals with more predictable earnings, making them attractive components for investors seeking technology exposure with comparatively moderated risk profiles.